Hi everyone, it's Genene, and today I have modifications that you can do for the Sun Salutation A series. If you'd like even more modifications, I'll link the video that we did on day 8 of our 30 Days of Yoga series, Meaningful Connection. I have Tom here with me to help me out. So if you have back issues or any issues where you cannot flex your spine or round your spine, then you follow me. Otherwise, Tom's the person that you're going to follow. Inhale, stretch your arms up. And then exhale, instead of forward bending, you're going to step your left leg back for your modification. And then exhale, arms go down so you can step your right leg back. Come to sitting on your heels. And Tom's going to come up halfway. And then exhale, fold. And then we're going to bring our hands to the floor and step back, everyone together, into plank. And then you're going to decide if you can lower down to the floor or not. And I'll show you a modification. If you have shoulder or back pain, really shoulder pain, you can come down onto forearms and then lower down, uncurl the toes, and then hands across from the chest. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana. And maybe you're just down here, or maybe you've lifted up higher. You're listening to your body today. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Again, if you have shoulder issues or you don't want to hurt your back, so forearms, pull the low belly in strongly, lift, and then walk your feet, walk your legs in, come onto your hands, then join everyone else in downward facing dog. Or exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. So the last thing you want to do, especially if you have back pain, is to try to undulate the spine every which way and really hurt your back. So modify as needed. Okay, on an exhale, come down onto your knees or step your feet forward. Now, step your right foot between your hands. And then step your left foot between your hands and come to standing as Tom does his Ardha Uttanasana and his Uttanasana. And then joins us, come to standing, inhaling arms overhead and exhaling hands in front of heart. And then release your arms down by your sides. And the next round, you would just switch, stepping the left leg back first, just opposite of whatever you did before. Stay tuned for next time when we'll be doing modifications for Sun Salutation B series. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.